Osio, Stewie, Stidalvadon. There are a lot of traditional turkey games that are around here, but the one that I highly take to and what's the most important to me and my family is stickball. I can remember my first stickball game. I was scared to death, but I had fun with it. Just running around being a little kid playing stickball, and that was the best thing ever because it promotes a lot of exercising. You're trying to pick up a little ball, you got hand-eye coordination going on, and it's just important to that because that's how we made our warriors back in the day. That's how they came up. And passing that on is just for the younger ones to pass it on to theirs. It's like with my girls, I made sure they were going to know the culture, they know the history, make sure they know where the ball game came from. We'll go outside and mess around, throw the ball around, try to teach them how to throw. We go on walks around the house or on the road, show them nature, teach them different things. It's all about just going back to passing everything on. If you had it, pass your knowledge on and get your kids out, be active. Family time's the most important thing, and that's how you can pass stuff on. Because the younger ones, they'll listen. You just gotta talk.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews and Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Toragoon.
Today we are making bison and wild rice soup. For this recipe you will need 1 pound of ground bison, 1 green bell pepper chopped, 1/4 cup of onion chopped, 3 cups of water, a 15.5 ounce can of tomato sauce, a 15.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained, 2 cups of wild rice, which equals 1 cup dry, half a teaspoon of black pepper. This is optional. Start by cooking the ground bison in a large pot over medium-high heat. Next, add bell pepper and onion. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until tender. Stir in wild rice, water, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, and black pepper if using. The Otoe word for wild rice is wathiugani. Wild rice is a whole grain that provides many nutrients including fiber, iron, vitamin K, and folate. Traditional wild rice harvesting is done by using knockers to knock mature rice grains into a canoe or boat. Any rice that falls in the water will sink and grow for harvest next year. Wild rice is used for ceremonial and public gatherings and is used in many dishes including dressings, casseroles, soups, salads, and desserts. You can use a wild rice blend or brown rice if wild rice is not available. Other vegetables could be added to the soup. Try squash, carrots, or green beans. Ground beef, turkey, or other meat can also be used instead of bison. Bring the soup to a boil. Then reduce heat to simmer and cook uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes. This soup can be made ahead of time and frozen. Thaw frozen soup in the refrigerator, then reheat in the microwave or on the stovetop. This recipe makes 8 servings. 1 serving is 1 cup. Enjoy!